G'day everybody, it's Daz here from My Aussie Garden Kitchen on YouTube, and I'm here to show you how to make a non-dairy, non-banana fruit smoothie that is so easy and tasty. And I'm going to be using this awesome Optimum 8200 high-speed Nutri extractor from Fruity, so let's get stuck into it. 1 cup of juice, 2 cups of mixed berries, frozen berries, very important, 1 peach, homegrown in my own orchard, and frozen. Start it on medium, get mixing. So good, so quick, so easy, so tasty. Wow. Daz approves.